Hey guys, welcome back. After a long gap, I'm back with a couple of videos on Microsoft Business Intelligence, and hope everyone is doing good. And you may get some annoying noise beeps in the middle of the video, so please do adjust because I'm capturing these videos using GoToMeeting.com, and there is no participants in this meeting, so that is why you'll be getting this beep sound. So please do adjust with the annoying noise. Thank you very much. And in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the MDX query, one of the MDX functionality. I got a request from a couple of guys recently, and they asked me how to implement OR condition in MDX. You know, it's a pretty simple. I mean, you know OR condition, right? In SQL Server, if you want to get color is equal to black or product is equal to XYZ, that means bring all the products with the name XYZ or when the color is black. So let's try to implement, and why it is difficult or why it is not straightforward one in MDX. We're going to check that out first, and then what is the workaround or what functions we can use to achieve the OR functionality in MDX queries. So for this purpose, I created a pretty simple cube. I should say this is the base cube that anyone can create using SSAS. You can see only one dimension, and I don't know what other attributes I've added. I just selected everything, and it is it. And I added one measure group, fact, internet, sales. Now let me start with the simple MDX query, which pulls products and colors information. Okay, tax amount and sales amount of the colors and products. So for the same, I'm writing simple MDX query with tax amount or sales amount as well as tax amount on columns, and what we want on rows. I want color and the second one is English product name. Let me search for it. Here it is. So I'm getting the result set will contain the color and product wise sales amount and tax amount. I want to show this one on rows from the cube name. So this is the simple MDX query that everyone knows, and you should be, I think you are aware that if you use this cross join, or in other words, this is a tuple, right? Tuple or cross join. So whenever you use a tuple, it will do cross join, and it will take each and every color and it will cross join with every product, and it will check whether there is any value with the combination black and shining product, and if there is no value, it will return null values as you are seeing here. So in the same way, it will be repeated for all the colors available in the attribute. So you can see it pretty clearly. For blue, all the products, and it is filtering out. I mean, it is showing data if the combination is having any data in the fact table. Now, to avoid these null values, you guys are expert in this MDX, I guess. So you just need to add non-empty to make sure what combination is having data. So these are the combinations we have which has some data. Okay. Now our question is, what is happening here? The output of the result set, if you observe, when the color is black and when the product is half finger gloves L, then this is the sales. When the color is black and this is the AND operator between these two. Whenever you go for tuple, it will have a cross join, and it's like AND operator. Or let me show you a better example. Like if I want to filter only black color products and the product name is half finger gloves L, what I have to do? I have to select the color as black. If I select only color as black, then it will show all black color products. Clear? You can see it's only black color products now. You won't find different color, other colors here. Now if I want to get only one particular product, let's say I want to get half finger gloves L product. So I'm taking the same half finger gloves, comma L is the product name. Let me execute it, and you can see it is an AND operator. When the color is black and when the product is so and so, get the result set. So this is the basic one. Whenever you go for cross join, this is how it's gonna happen. It is AND operator. If you try to have two members in the tuple, one from the color attribute and another one from the product attribute, then the AND operator will be placed. In short, let me take this one out of here. So whenever you use tuple, it is product so and so and color so and so and product is equal to so and so, then only the results will be fetched. But our scenario is little different. What we want is when the color is black, fetch it, or when the product is something else, fetch it. So this is a kind of OR condition. I don't want the output what you are seeing now. Instead, I want something like this, where color is black or product is some XYZ. Okay, let's see how to do that now and what functions we can use for the same. Let me comment it out. I don't want it. Okay, let me go back to the query with color and let me see what data we have. I'm rewriting the query with attribute instead of a member. So this is the first query that I have written, right? Now what I'm trying to show here is I'm trying to get the products which are black in color. That's the first requirement. Or the product name is, I'll take this classic West L, which is having blue in color. So the result set should have all black color products, and if the name is or the name is classic West L, right? Let me make a note of this one, classic West. Classic West L. I want either black color products, yeah, or when the product name is classic West L. Now let's see how to do that. First, this is the tuple. We know very well how it will happen. It will go for cross join. I can use one. There are many ways of doing this, but let me start with one function, that is filter function. So how you can use the filter function to achieve the OR condition in MDX. So before going to that, let me show you the filter syntax. It will be like this: filter. You can have some tuple or set here, tuple here, and condition here. So first you need to have a tuple and then a condition here. Okay. Now this is the filter. Let me take it to a different line. Filter of, this is the tuple. So whatever I'm highlighting, this will form a tuple, the first parameter of the filter function. And what is the second parameter? The second parameter is the condition. You have to provide what condition, whether it's AND or whatever it is. So I'm providing the condition here. This is the trick. This is the place where you have to be very careful while writing this AND or operator. So here the condition that I'm gonna give is when the color is black or when the product is classic West L. So the first thing is you can use a couple of functions here like current member dot name. So what will happen here is first you have to go for this hierarchy, color dot current member dot name is equal to black. This is one which we want to see. Or the second hierarchy is attribute hierarchy is dim product name, right? Dot, again the same, current member dot name is equal to what we're looking for. We're looking for classic West L. Now let me close this. So if you observe, this is the parameter section, this is the condition section. Whatever I've given in the filter part, this is the condition section, and the first one is the set or tuple. So now what this filter will do here, how this filter works. So before going to that, let me make a couple of changes here. The first thing, the bracket is open here, the parenthesis, and the parenthesis is closed here, and I don't need the second one here. And here I need to close because this parenthesis is for non-empty, which is over here. Now what will happen is first it will get this cross join of products, all the products like sales for color, all colors and English product name, and it will filter when the color is black or when the product name is classic West L. First let's see whether it works fine or not. then we can discuss more about it. So you can see all black color products. This is one good thing. And the second thing is OR condition. You can see the OR condition is working perfectly fine. It is getting all black color products, or when the product name is classic west, yeah. Now let's see how this works. So whenever this tuple form, I mean this cross join, this cross join results set, right? A lot of combination or cascading product of all the colors as well as English product name. First, for each and every row, it will check this condition. When the color.currentMember.name means for every row, the value is current member. This is current member when it is executing first row. This is current member of color when it is executing second row. This is current member when it is executing third row, and so on. In the same way, for English product name, the current member is half finger gloves L when it is executing the first row. Right? So row by row, whenever it is going, it will check the current member. So first condition, whether the current member is black or product is so and so. So the first condition is evaluated to true, so that is why this record is written. And the same continue for till the last record, and the last record, the first condition failed, that is color.currentMember.name is failed, but the second condition or current member dot name, English product name dot current member dot name is equal to classic Westel is evaluated to true, so that is why it is fetching. So if you want to get clear picture about this, just change it to un and try to find it out what it is gonna read. So there is no records with this combination where color is black and product is so and so, classic West. But we know that there is a product called half finger gloves with the color black, right? Let's try to execute this, and you can see this particular record is showing in the result set because the color.currentMember.name is black and the product.currentMember.name is in half finger gloves. That is why it is returning. So this is one easiest way of implementing OR condition in your MDX queries. There are multiple other ways using calculated measures and so on, which are round trip. This is the best one I feel. So that is why I'm presenting this solution for you guys. So people who ping me regarding this one, I hope you will get benefited with this video, and I'll be making a lot of videos going forward. So hope you will subscribe to my channel to see more and more videos. Have a nice day, guys. Catch you soon with a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.